Okay, gentlemen, the team's recordings are not perfect. It's 4 hours. I can cut it, but it's difficult to upload to the YouTube. So I record something for you. Okay, we did some exercise on the lecture. During the lecture, doesn't matter. We had these matrices A, B, C, D. The task was to calculate the following formulas terms if it is possible. Let's see A. The type of the matrix A and B are different, therefore you cannot do the operation. It is the same for the B and C, C and D, and this 2A minus B. That's easy. Let's step, and A times B is not possible, B times D is not possible because the number of columns and the number of rows are different. But we can calculate the A times C. So all rows here, all rows are multiplied with these columns. This and for this and this, for this and this, for this and this, for this and this row and this column. So this element, this row, and this column, this element, this row and this column. This is the result, and this result is good. Here it's more simple. You have to multiply for this element, this row, this column, for this element, this row, this column, this element, this row, this column, this element, this column. This is the result. Okay, the transpose is just mirror, no problem. The problem is the rank. Here I use the elemental transformation that use the ranks, so they are rank invariant, so they don't change the rank. First, I took the I subtract twice the first row from the third row. Why I do this? I want to put a trapezoid form. It means there is nothing, just 0 under the main diagonal. We do this operation, it is 0. Oh, that's suspicious. So I can subtract from the third row the 2. And I got this, it's 0, so the rank is 2, because there is only 2 rows in this matrix. For the C, I try to do the same. First, let's see. The problem is that this is 0, so I have to change the first row and the third row, because otherwise it will not work. So now I multiply the first row with 2 and the second with 3. The reason is being lazy, because it's much easier to calculate with 6 than the fractions. So now I can add the first row to the second row, so this will be 0, this will be minus 2. Then I add the third row to the no, I add to the third row the second row, and then it disappears. So it's 0. There are 2 rows that is not 0, so the rank is 2. Okay, I started to do the inversion for this A matrix, but its determinant is 0, so it's not possible. And for the D matrix, we cannot calculate the inverse matrix because it's not a square matrix. So that's it. Thank you very much. I will upload this video somewhere very soon. Bye bye.